First, remove the mount from the inner package. Take the inner package and fold the side tabs and inside tabs towards the outside. Insert your phone into the packaging with the back of the phone facing up. Align the side of the phone against the wall of the package. Lower the side tab to help align your mounting plate when installing. Take the mounting plate and remove the backing from the two adhesive strips. Once both backing strips are removed, decide which way you prefer to remove the main body from the phone. Placing the mount with the opening on the left will remove your mount by sliding towards the left. Similarly, placing the mount with the opening to the right will remove the mount by sliding to the right. Once you have decided the removal direction, line the top of the mounting plate with the side tab edge. Press the mounting plate down onto the back of the phone and hold for 30 seconds. Lastly, take the main body and slide it back onto the mounting plate. Now, your phone is ready to be spotted.